Hi everyone. I hope you're having or you had a good weekend and enjoyed some of the nice weather and looking forward to a great week ahead. This week coming up is all focused on communication and collaboration. And you actually have 2 weeks for this. So there's a little bit of breathing room. The purpose for this sort of breather week, in part, is for you to go back and double check the gradebook for things that you may have missed, things that maybe you didn't get full credit on, any student samples that you need to add into your lesson plans. Or if you got not full credit on your discussions or your reflections or your activities, we provide explicit feedback why that full credit wasn't given in the comments for that activity or for that assignment. So go ahead and look back on those. Give yourself a little bit of time to catch up if you need to. And for those of you that are plugging along, keep plugging along. The communication and collaboration module is all about what it says. The discussion is pretty typical. The activity itself asks you to participate in either a Google Plus Hangout or a Twitter hashtag chat. And if you don't know what either of those are, then go ahead and review what's already in the module itself. It gives you a little bit of context, and then make sure that you respond to all of the prompts in a Google Doc and submit that shared Google Doc as your activity. Be as explicit as possible. Don't just say, I participated in a Twitter chat. Tell us which one. And for both the Twitter hashtag chat and the Google Plus Hangout, you can actually include the link itself, and we would encourage you to do so. It helps give us some context for what you're talking about. And then specifically, if you were to create an environment like this, what would it look like, and who would the audience be, and some of those sort of big planning questions. For your portfolio or your lesson plan itself, you're going to be creating a lesson plan to explicitly teach how to constructively collaborate. So this is something that oftentimes we take for granted, or we give certain boundaries for our students, or we say, here's what's going to get you a good grade on collaborating, or here's your group grade. But that doesn't necessarily mean that the students know how to constructively collaborate. So take this time to create this kind of lesson, and make sure that they include who they communicated with, how often, in what methods, and hopefully that will be a fruitful, useful lesson for you, that will extend beyond just any one particular content area. If you have any questions moving ahead over the next couple weeks, let us know. And I hope to see perhaps some of you at the annual Q conference. I won't be posting another one of these next week, since this particular module isn't due until the following Sunday. But I hope you have a great couple of weeks and look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.